In this session, I'm going to talk about foiling binomial expressions using Pascal's triangle. Look at this example below. A plus b to the power 2. And if you want to foil this one, you can write as a times a plus b times a plus b. So you can foil it now. A times a squared plus into plus plus ab plus into plus plus b times a, again ab, plus into plus plus b times b, b to the power 2. A squared, ab plus ab, 2ab plus b squared. And a plus b to the power 3. If you want to foil this one, a plus b, and you can write this one as a plus b and into a plus b. A plus b times a plus b is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and a plus b. Now you can foil it. A squared times a, which is a to the power 3, a squared times a, plus into plus plus, a squared b, plus into plus plus, 2 times 2, a squared b, and then 2ab times b, again 2ab squared, again this one now, plus into plus plus, ab squared, plus into plus plus, b to the power 3. Simplify again, a to the power 3 plus a squared b plus 2ab a squared b is 3a squared b plus ab squared, and 2ab squared plus ab squared is 3ab squared plus b to the power 3. Right. So look at this. So we have to go through a little bit few more steps in order to get the answers, right? And but by using that Pascal's triangle, you can straight away you can write the answers. Let me show you this. This is the Pascal triangle. 1, 1, 1, 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 here again. So this one you can write it here. Again, you can add these two numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. And you can add these two numbers, 2 plus 1, 3, and then write 1 here. 1 here, add these two numbers 4, add these two numbers 6, these two numbers 4, 1, again 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. And this is the 0th row, the first row, second row, third row, fourth, fifth, and sixth, so on, right? Now look at a squared, a plus b to the power 2, you can write as the first term, it should be a squared, and then b to the power 0. When you add those two exponents, we should get that 2. Here the exponent is 2, so when you add 2 plus 0 is 2. So this is plus, and then you can plus in here, and again this exponent reducing 1, and then b is increasing 1, but the total should be 2. So a, b, and then here is 1. So I don't need to, I could write down 1, 1. And then again plus, and then this is reducing 1, and then a to the power 0, and then b is increasing, and then is 2. Now I have to write down, these are the coefficient of the terms, 1, 2, 1. So the row number is this exponent value, should be the same. So these are the coefficients of these terms, 1, 2, and 1. So 1 a squared, b to the power 0 is 1, and then 2 ab, and then again a to the power 0 is 1, and b squared. Look at the next one, a plus b to the power 3. So similarly, I can write down a3 b0 and a2 b1, a b2, and let me keep some space here. So a b to the power 2, right? And then a0 b3. So I put plus sign here, and then I have to write the coefficients, 1, 3, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1. So I can write down as a to the power 3, b to the power 0 is 1. So a to the power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus a to the power 0 is 1 is b to the power 3. See, let me show you another example, a plus b to the power 4. So you can write down this one as this. A4, B0, A3, B1, A2, B2, A, B3, BA0, B4. Again, what are the coefficients? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 combined with plus marks. So a to the power 4, b to the power 0 is 1, 4a 3b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab to the power 3 plus b to the power 4. This is the final answer, right? I hope that you understood this lesson very well. We can start from the next one. Thank you.